You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app.
For this operation, get hold of the Cabin HEPA Plus cabin filter that you can find in the video description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Open the passenger door for easy access. The cabin filter is located on the passenger side under the glove box. Using a pry bar, remove the 3 plastic rivets holding the cover under the glove box by prying out the center part. Remove the cover under the glove box. Using the fork, remove the retaining rivet from the outer trim panel of the dashboard. Then remove the panel. Using a socket wrench and a T20 Torx socket, unscrew the cover retaining screw. Pinch the 2 tabs on the cover and pull on it. Pull out the cabin filter, which is in 2 parts. Before putting in the new filter in place,
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment. There are 3 types of cabin filter. The white one are for pollen, while the black ones are for active carbon. The first one is used to stop dust, while the second one will also filter out smells and gases. There is now a new generation of filters on the market. Perflux has developed Cabin HEPA Plus cabin filters, which filter out virus-sized particles and offer 50 times the protection of traditional cabin filters. The choice is yours. Take the new filter. Pay careful attention to the direction of the filter to properly position the airflow arrows. The arrows must point towards the back of the vehicle. Put the first one in place by pushing it upwards once it has been inserted, making sure the tab sticks out. Then put the second one in. Put the cover back on. Then screw the screw back in. Put the casing back on. Put the rivet back in place. Put the cover under the glove box compartment back on. Put the plastic rivets back in place. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.